Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Altamash Maths Academy. Today we study most important and easiest questions from coordinate geometry. Dear students, here definitely they ask 1 marks question and 2 marks question and 3 marks questions from coordinate geometry. So here are some important formulae of coordinate geometry. So this is the very important formula they asked many times. So distance formula between the coordinate points a x1 y1 b x2 y2, that is the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So when we calculate the distance from origin to any point, so that is the side this one. So d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. This one also they asked many times. So dear students, you must remember this one also. So one more important formula. So midpoint formula. So it is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this formula and the fourth one are the very important formulas, because definitely we get the formula. We must solve problems on this formula. So the second last fourth one is it is called section formula. The coordinates of the points P x comma y which divides the line segment joining the point a x1 y1 b x2 y2, it is p x comma y is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Here also similarly exactly like same, but in place of x1 y1 we write x2 y2. Okay student, you must know this one and first one. So definitely we want to solve the problems based on these two formulae. Okay students, here are the some problems are there. They asked in previous year annual examination questions. So for 2 marks, so this is the 2 marks very important problem. Find the distance between the points 5 comma 6 and 1 comma 3 using distance formula. Okay students, here you already know distance formula. So take the first point as x1 y1, second point as x2 y2. So we just saw the distance formula. Just to discuss about it, distance formula is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Students, for only writing this formula you get half marks. You scored half marks for this one. So next step is you just substitute the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 in their place. So here we already marked this one is x2. So write in place of x2 as 1, in place of x1 its value it is 5 and square as it is in y2. So here is the y2 in second bracket x2 y2, in first bracket x1 y1 minus y1, here is the y1. So right, it is 6 bracket square. So for this half marks, and for second step also half marks. So you get 1 marks now. So now simplify 1 minus 5, it is minus 4. Don't make mistake here, except sign 5 is bigger number. So after subtraction you write the sign of the bigger number. So okay, plus most of students make here mistakes. They write here 4, it is wrong. So it is minus 4. Here also 6 is bigger one, its sign is negative. After subtraction we get it is minus 3. So now square minus 4 square is it is plus 25, because minus 4 square means minus 4 into minus 4. So minus minus becomes plus, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. So okay student, hence don't make mistakes here. When we are square positive or negative number, its square is positive only. So here 3 square minus 3 square is again it is 9. positive number. So here 16 plus 9 becomes 25. Now, therefore, distance is always positive. Square root of 25 square root is 5. So for this you get completely 2 marks. Okay, it is the very easiest question. So definitely students, this type of one question should be in there in your 2 marks question. So practice such more problems also. So one more important problems is here. So this is also from previous year question paper. So it is from section formula. So here we use section formula. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4 comma minus 3 and 8 comma 5 in the ratio 3 is to 1. Okay students, many times they ask such problems. Okay, this one is also for 2 marks. So otherwise sometimes they twist the formula problem and asked for 3 marks from this using the this formula, section formula. So first take this one as x1 y1. So now I consider this one as x1 and this one as y1. I take this one as x2 and this one as y2. Now see this one ratio. This one take you as you m1. This one as m2. Now you already know the section formula. Section formula is p x comma y is equal to. So simply one method is there to remember this one. If you know, write directly. Otherwise you write this one in this way: mx plus mx divided by m plus m. And so it is very easy to write, not necessary to remember. So one simple tricks is there to remember this one. So okay students, here x1 y1 x2 y2 m1 m2 is there. So here you write 1 2 2 1, again 1 2. So here also 1 2 2 1 1 2. So in this way you can remember this one also. Okay students, now we substitute the values for the writing this formula, we get half marks. So now you substitute the students, here substitute the values of m1 x2. Here m1 is 3. So write in place of m1 3 into x2 value from second bracket. It is carefully here you write. So don't get confused here, otherwise you lose the marks. 3 comma 8 plus as it is m2. Here m2 is 1. So x1 is from first bracket, it is 4. So here m1 m2 m1 plus m2, here we already wrote it. So write as it is 3 plus 1. So here also again same, here we have m1 m2. So write the 3 m1, here is m2, here again m1 plus m2. Here we just substitute the values of y2. Y2 from second bracket it is 5. So here y1 it is from first bracket, it is minus 3. Don't get confused here. So write carefully. So it is minus 3. So now for this you get again half marks. For formula half marks, for substitution half marks. Now simplify, for this also you get half marks. So 3 8s are 24, 1 4s are 4 divided by 3 plus 1 again 4. In its denominator here is also same. So here again it is 4. So 3 5s are 15. So here positive into negative becomes negative. 3 1s are 3. So okay students, it is very easy. Simplification is very important here. So write the remaining part. Simplify once again. 24 plus 4, it is 28 by 4. So 15 minus 3. So 15 minus 3, it is 12 by 4. Okay. Okay students, if they have numerator denominator same common factor, you can cancel here. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. Now we get the coordinates of the that point. That is Px comma y is, here is x is 7 and y is 3. For this, student, you get very easily 3 marks. Definitely, we have such problems in annual examination question paper. So for that, student, this is very easy part. So you saw, practice some more examples of this type. So sometimes they ask problems on this distance from origin also. So this is also very easy. Say they give simply 1 point. What is the distance from origin means? You just simply square these two and sum it and write the roots. So 3 square it is 9, 4 square 16, sum of these two it is 25, its root is 5. So for that you get 1 mark. So sometimes minus 3 and 4, minus 4. So again you square these 2 points, add them and write its root. So it is for 1 mark. Okay student, this is the for 2 mark, 1 marks, 2 marks problems from coordinate geometry. Students, if you like the video, like and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you students.